Hello everybody, today we make a fried coconut shrimp. For the ingredients we got a shrimp, Mayoya baby hot pepper, eggs, flour, coconut flake, panko bread, avocado, peaches, and shallot. And we got oil, salt, black pepper, lime, and cilantro. Okay, now I want to put a little black pepper on this over here. Black pepper on the flour. A black pepper on the eggs. And now we put a little salt. A salt over here on the flour. A salt on the eggs. And now the eggs I gotta scramble a little bit. Okay, now we started with the shrimp, flour, eggs, everything over here with the bread, everything. Now the start, I want to mix the flour first. Got the salt and black pepper. And I want to mix this together. Everything. Okay, and now we start with the shrimp, and we put shrimp in the flour, like this. And we take one by one, and I put right over here the eggs. And we take the rest of the shrimp and the flour. And we put everything together over here with the eggs. Now we mix all together. The eggs, you got a beautiful color. Look at this, how beautiful. Nice. Good. And now we take the shrimp and we put it right over here. Nice. Like that. And we pick it up one by one and we put it back on this dish over here. Like that. And we do all the shrimp the same I did this one over here. Okay, now first thing we check the oil. I got my toothpick over here and let's check. Okay, see bubble? Now this oil, it's a peanut oil. It's really good for fry. And now we start the shrimp. And we start to put one by one. When you cook, make sure that you don't burn yourself. Now this, you gotta be for 2 minutes. Make sure 2 minutes this will be ready. All right, look how beautiful. Okay, look how beautiful it look. The best thing when you cook home, it's not. I like to cook home the shrimp, the fish, everything. Well, I cook home. I'm a chef. Hey, I like to cook home like this. I know what I taste. Hey, look how beautiful, nice. Nice crunchy with this. A nice glass of wine. After like that, drink a little bit more wine. Yes, 2 minutes. The shrimp look how beautiful, look nice, crunchy. All right. And this one, it was a fly away from me. Come over here, baby. Okay, I don't want to miss you. Now it's time to put the rest. Okay, now this is 2 minutes. And let's take it out. Look how beautiful look this shrimp. Really, really nice. Look at that. And I told you the truth. I like this one. It gets stainless steel. And you can wash really easy. The clean. Now we make the dip for the shrimp. And we start with my oye baby. But this, it's really hot. You gotta watch. Don't pour too much. But pour this one. And we slice over here in the middle. And we slice in the middle over here. This. Shallot. We do the pitch.
What do you call it?
Perziche. Pitches. Are they right in English?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just speak English. And now let's chop the avocado. Now it's everything chopped, and we put right in this bowl over here. And we do like this. Nice. See if you pick up, so beautiful. And make sure you don't chop too much. That this is so nice. The peaches, avocado. And look at that. Now we got lime. Black pepper. Okay. Use the salt. And oil. Okay, good. And now we give a nice mix. And make sure the mix is nice, slow. Do not squeeze it too much. Just like that. Okay, you don't want to break a nut. Now it's the time of the test. And let's put it away over here. And the shrimp. Oh, look how crunchy the shrimp. Crunchy. Really good. You squeeze the tail. Well, the shrimp it's really good. They come out really crunchy and the way I like it. Plus, nice glass white wine, Chardonnay, nice cold for the refrigerator. E salute, chin chin, David Barrett. Drink a glass of wine with me and you make me happy. And you drink, you'll be happy too. Chin chin, salute. Oh, it's so really good.